Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I hope by the grace of God you all are enjoying good health. My name is Meher Faraz and I am your English teacher. Today we are going to continue our Unit 5, A Place to Live. Lesson 2, Reading. Let's go to Copenhagen, Europe's happiest capital. You have to read all this article by your own self. Find out where Copenhagen is. How can anyone measure happiness? Think about this and discuss with your friends before reading the article. The title of the magazine article says that it is the happiest capital. You have to find whether it is the happiest capital or not. Exercise question number 2. Read and listen to the magazine article. Choose the correct answer. Exercise 3. Read and listen to the magazine article again. Complete the sentence with the words in the article. I have already done for you all. Homework, exercise 2 and exercise 3. You have to solve these both questions on your book. Written work and research work. Find information from the internet and make a fact file. You have to make a fact file on a city in Pakistan which attracts tourist. Include the following information in your fact file. I have given some information about the tourism. You have to write these all important points in your fact file. You can use color pencils, markers, draw pictures, use photographs from old magazine, and you can use resources which are available at your home. Vocabulary 2, Living Together, Student Book, page number 63, Workbook, page number 41. Human beings are social animals and they require other people to live comfortably. Very few people can say that they enjoy their own company and do not need anyone. This vocabulary lesson deals with idioms. Idioms are a group of words in a fixed order that have a particular meaning that is different from the meaning of each word on its own. One example of this can be found in the phrase, I am all ears. Some examples are, over the moon, see the light. Some more examples of idioms are given below. Vocabulary 2, Living Together, Exercise 1. Read and listen to the forum post. Match the people 1 to 4 to the photos A to D. I have already done this. Read and listen to the forum post again. Match the phrases in the bold to the definitions. Answers of vocabulary 2 is moving towards our workbook. Unit 5, A Place to Live. Revision topic, correlative conjunctions. You can use whether or to join two clauses. We use them when it does not matter which choice we make. Whether you prefer a quick walk or an exciting adventure, you should visit Tivoli Gardens. We can also use whether or before infinitives. I did not know whether to get a job or to go to university. You can use either or when there are two or more real choices. We often use either before the main verb. You can either take a boat ride or walk around the harbor. We can also use either or before the entire clause. Either stop complaining or speak to the waiter. Use the neither nor in the same way as either or. When the choices are negative and not available, you can neither take a train nor a bus to the town. Language Focus 1, Correlative Conjunction. Recall correlative conjunctions from the previous lesson, how to use them. When using correlative conjunctions, Ensure verbs agree so your sentence makes sense. Some examples are given below. Language Focus 1, Exercise 1. Choose and circle the correct answer. You have to choose and circle the correct answer. Question number 2. Question number 2. Complete the sentence. Insert the words in the brackets in the correct position. Unit 5 Workbook Answer Key of Language Focus 1. Written work. Exercise 1. Choose and circle the correct answer. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences and insert the word in the bracket in the correct position. You have to solve these both questions on your book. Language Focus 2. Living Together. Exercise 1. Match the expressions in the box with the picture. Question number 2. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the expressions in the exercise 1. The answer key of these both questions are given on the next slide. Written work and homework. Match the expressions in the box with the picture. Exercise 2. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the expressions in exercise 1. And question number 3. These all questions are your homework. You have to solve these 3 questions in your book. And the written work is: in Pakistan, many families have grandparents or some elders of the families living with them. Write your feeling about living with elders in the house, how important it is to look after them well, how they help in character building, and how interesting it is to listen to the stories of their past. You have to write a short essay or a short story about your feelings. Thank you for listening. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.